Morning students. Today's lecture is doubt on surds questions. I am giving you the homework on surds, but some of the students are not able to solve these problems. So that all problems can be taken in this lecture. So listen this lecture very carefully and try to solve again these problems. The homework for that is only whatever be the problem we are learning in this lecture, that all problem you can solve 2 times. So let me start the first problem, which is that 4 upon 7 is equal to 4 upon 7 inserts 147 plus 3 upon 8 inserts 192 minus 1 upon 5 inserts 75. So these numbers are in the surds. So you can factorize that number such a way that one number square root must be you get. So some of the students are just think that why I am say that one number square root must be get, because see, this is the V shape, and with V shape there is no number. In every V shape you can observe, in every V shape. So in the every V shape there is a no number. So if there is a no number, that means that order is 2. So order is 2, so you must be find out the square root of that number. Okay, because order is 2, so you must be find out the square root of that numbers. So this problem just we start to solve. So 4 upon 7 remain as it is. 147 into, so this 147 can be factorized such a way, 49 into 3. What we get? 9 3s are 27, 2 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 14. Yes, so 49 into 3, 49 square root you can get very easily. Such a way we are factorize this. See, 147. So this 147 is factorized 49 into 3. 9 3s are 27, 2 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 14. So 147. So 147 is factorized 49 into 3. Is that clear? Plus 3 upon 8 remain as it is. 192. So that 192 is factorized such a way one number square root must be get. So 64 3s are, see, 3 4s are 12, 1 is carry, 3 6s are 18, 18 plus 1 19, 192. So 192 is factorized 64 into 3. So that 64 square root we can easily find out. Then minus 1 upon 5 remain as it is. 75. So this 75 is factorized 25 into 3. 25 3s are 75. Okay. So see, 49 square root is 7. So it is outside the surds. See, the 4 upon 7 remain as it is. This 49. So that 49 square root is 7. So it is written here. 7 inserts 3. Are you understand? How can these 3's remains? See again. This is the 49. So that 49 square root we know. So what is the square root of 49? The square root of 49 is 7. So here is I write 7. So what is remain in the surds? 3. So here is remains root 3. So 7 root 3 plus 3 upon 8 remain as it is. 64. So what is the square root of 64? So 64 square root is 8. So I write here 8. Okay. It is a 64. So what is the square root of 64? So 64 square root is 8. So I write here 8. And these 3's remain as it is. So 3 upon 8 into 8 root 3 minus 1 upon 5. 25. What is the square root of 25? So square root of 25 is 5. So I write here 5. 5 root 3. Such a way. So are you understand? See, 49 square root 7. So it is write 7 root 3. Then 3 upon 8 remain as it is. 64. 64 square root is 8. So I write here 8 root 3 minus 1 upon 5. 25. 25 square root is 5. So I write here 5 root 3. Such a way. So this 7 7 cancel. What remain? 4 root 3. This 8 8 cancel. What remain? 3 root 3. This 5 5 cancel. What remain? Root 3. Such a way. See, this 7 7 cancel. 4 root 3. 8 1, see there, 8 1s are 8. So this 8 8 cancel, 3 root 3. Then minus sign remain as it is. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. What is remain? Root 3. So if you are observe, here is root 3, here is root 3, here is root 3. So all things there is a root 3. So I write root 3 single times. Whatever be the coefficient of these 4, so I write here 4. What is the root 3? Root 3 same common, so I write single times. Then you can write in bracket coefficient. What is the coefficient of this? 4. What is the coefficient? Plus 3. What is the coefficient? There is no number means 1. Minus 1 is the coefficient. 4 plus 3 7. 7 minus 1 6. 6 root 3 is the answer. I hope that you understand it very well. Then let me go to another problems. Such a way that answer can be written here. The 4 upon 7 inserts 147 plus 3 upon 8 inserts 192 minus 1 upon 5 inserts 75 is equal to 6 root 3. Then problem number second. So 5 root 3 plus 2 root 27 plus 1 upon root 3. So here is already root 3 is here. So same surds we want to make root 3. So we can factorize such a way. So 5 root 3 remain as it is because these 3 cannot be factorized. 2 is remain as it is. 27. 27 is factorized 9 3s are 27. Why? Because 9 square root we can find out easily. So this is the 27. That 27 is factorized 9 3s are 27. So I write here 9 3s are 27. Plus remain as it is. 1 upon root 3. So I write here 1 upon root 3. So you want to rationalize the root 3. See, here is the root 3. So that root 3 rationalize. Rationalize means the denominator is root 3. So that is multiplying denominator root 3 and also multiplying to numerator. Here is in denominator what? Root 3. If you want to rationalize the number, so whatever be the denominator, that denominator is multiplying to the denominator as well as numerator. So here is root 3 is the denominator, so that is multiplied by root 3. Okay, so root 3 multiplied denominator as well as this root 3 multiplied to numerator. This process is called rationalization. Rationalization means this number can be come out of the surds. So here is what happened. So this 5 root 3 remain as it is, plus sign remain as it is, these 2 remain as it is. 9 square root is 3, so here is the red 3. Okay, 9, here is the 9. What is the square root of 9? 3, so here is the right 3 and root 3 remain as it is. Then root 3 ones are root 3, so here you get root 3. Root 3 ones are root 3, so you get root 3. Root 3 into root 3, what you get? 3, so here is the right 3. Okay, so see, here is the root 3, here is the root 3, here is the root 3. So root 3 is the common, so that can be right outside the brackets. So here is 5 root 3 plus 3 2 are 6 root 3 plus root 3 upon 3. So root 3 root 3 common factor outside the bracket, so it is outside the bracket. Then coefficient of this root 3 5, I write here 5. Coefficient of this root 3 6, I write here 6. Coefficient of this 1 upon 3, so 1 upon 3. So we can do addition of this. Here is no denominator, so denominator is 1. Here also no denominator, so denominator is 1. So 1 denominator and 3 denominator. So denominator is not same. So denominator is not same, so what can you do? We can find out LCM. So LCM is 3. Which number multiple 1? Then you get, here is 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 1 upon 3. So here is no denominator, so denominator is 1. So here is denominator 1 and here is denominator 3. So 1 and 3, which is the biggest number? 3. So 3 is the LCM. So which number multiple 1? Then you get 3. Okay, so 3 into 11, 11 3 is 33. So 33 plus 1 34. So 34 upon 3 root 3. See, some of the students having doubt, then I again explain. 11 plus 1 upon 3, such a is, you know how can you get 11? 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, so here is you get 11 plus 1 upon 3. So 11 denominator is 1 and here is denominator is 3. So denominator is not same. So what can you do? You can find out LCM. So what is the LCM? 3. So I write here 3 LCM. So 1. So that is multiplied by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. 33. 33 plus 1 34. So 34 upon 3 into root 3 is the answer. Then we can see the another problem. Square root of 216 minus 5 root of 6 plus square root of 216, square root of 6, square root of 294 and square root of 6. Such a surds number is given here. Then we want to simplify it. So first 216 is factorized such a way that one number square root must be get. So this 216 can be factorized such a way one number square root must be get. So 36 into 6, 36 into 6 minus 5 root 6 plus 294, that is factorized such a way 49 into 6. See how can it is 216 factorized 36 into 6. Why? Because 36 square root we can get, and 36 into 6 you get 216. 6 6 are 36, 3 is carries, 6 3 are 18, 18 plus 3 216. Okay, 5 root 6 remain as it is, 294. So 49 into 6, 6 9 6 are 54, 5 is carries, 6 4 are 24, 24 plus 5 29. So 294 is factorized 49 into 6 minus 3 upon root 6. So you want to rationalize this root 6. So if you want to rationalize the root 6, so which number is in the surds, that number multiplying to the denominator and that number multiplying to the numerator. So remember my students, rationalization process is very simple. Which number is right in the surds, such a way root 6 is right in the surds, so that number multiplying to denominator and same number multiplying to numerator. Very simple. Here is root 6, so here is multiply by root 6. If here is root 3, then multiply by root 3. Here is root 5, then multiply by root 5. If here is root 6, then it is multiplied by root 6. Okay, so whatever the number in the roots, that is multiplying to the denominator as well as that is multiplying to numerator. Okay, are you understand it? So see, 36 square root is 6, 36 square root is 6, so here is 6 root 6. Is that clear? See, it is 36. What is the square root of 36? So square root of 36 is 6, so I write here 6. Root 6 remain as it is. 5 root 6 remain as it is. 49. What is the square root of 49? 7. So I write here 7. 7 root 6. Minus 3 root 6. How can you get 3 into root 6? 3 root 6. Root 6 into root 6, you get 6. Remember, root 6, answer is 6. Root B, answer is B. Root P, answer is P. So whatever is the number in the root, that is the answer. Okay. So see, all the root 6, root 6, root 6, root 6, they are common, so that can be right here. Such a way. Here is 6 root 6 minus 5 root 6. Okay. Minus 7 root 6. Then here is minus 7 root 6. This 49 square root, you get 7 root 6 minus 1 upon 2. So some of the students are thinking that where is this 3 going? Okay, that some of the students are think where is that 3 going? So remember my student, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So here you get 2. So this 6 is converted into 2. If don't understand, I again explain. 3, this is the 3, see the number is 3, so that 3 is divided to 6. So 3 1 ja 3, 1 is there, 3 2 ja 6, 2 is there. So here is minus 1 upon 2 and root 6 is remain as it is. So common factor is root 6. See, root 6, root 6, root 6, root 6. Common factor is root 6. So that is right single time. Whatever be the coefficient 6, so I write here 6. Minus 5, I write here minus 5. Plus 7, I write here plus 7. And coefficient minus 1 upon 2. 6 minus 5, what is remain? 1. 1 plus 7, 8. Okay. So 8 minus 1 upon 2. Are you understand? See, 6 minus 5, what is remain? 1. 1 plus 7, what you get? 8. 8 minus 1 upon 2. So here is the 8, denominator is not here. So denominator is 1. So 1 denominator and here is 2 denominator. So denominator is not same. So we can find out LCM. So what is the LCM? 2 is the LCM. So which number multiple 1? Then you get 2, 2. So 2 8 ja 16. 2 8 ja 16. 16 minus 1, 15. So 15 upon 2 root 6 is the answer. 15 upon 2 root 6 the answer. Such a way we are getting that answer. So this is the 4 square root 12 minus square root 75 minus 7 square root 48. So that numbers we can simplify it. So 12. So that 12 can be factorized such a way that one number square root must be get. 12 can be factorized such a way one number square root must be get. So this 12 is factorized 4 3s are 12. Do you understand, my students? See, this is the 12. So the 12 can be factorized 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 minus 75. So 75 can be factorized 25 3s are 75. Okay, this 75 can be factorized 25 3s are 75. 48. So this 48 can be factorized 16 3s are 48. So this is the 4. That 4 square root you can find out. So the square root of 4 is 2. So 2 into 4. 5. 25 square root 5. 16 square root 4. Such a way. So this 4 remain as it is. This 4 square root. So this 4 square root is 2. So I write here 2. So 4 into 2. And here is root 3. Minus this 25. What is the square root of 25? 5. So I write here 5. 5 root 3. Then minus 7 remain as it is. 16. What is the square root of 16? 4. So I write here 4. Okay. Then 4 to the 8. 8 root 3. So 4 to the 8. So you get 8 root 3. Minus 5 root 3. Minus 7 4 the 28. Minus 28 root 3. So here is root 3. Here is root 3. Here is root 3. So all things common is root 3 root 3. So root 3 is common, so it is outside the bracket. Okay, so that is right outside the bracket. What is the coefficient? 8. So I write here 8 coefficient. Minus 5 coefficient. Minus 28 coefficient. 8 minus 5, what is remain? 3. So here is 8 minus 5, 3 is remain. 3 is positive and 28 is negative. So sign of both number are not same. So sign of both number are not same. So what can I do? Subtract 28 minus 3. What is remains? 25. Bigger number sign minus. So minus 25 root 3 is the answer. Okay. Such a way, this is the problem number 5. 2 square root of 48 minus square root of 75 minus 1 upon root 3. So that problem we want to solve. So these two remain as it is. 48. See, this is the 48. So that 48 is factorized such a way one number square root must be get. So 16 3s are 48. See, this is the 48. That 48 is factorized such a way one number square root must be get. So 16 3s are 48. 16 square root is 4. Okay. 75 is factorized 25 3s are 75. 25 3s are 75. 25 square root can be you get 1 upon root 3. So I write here 1 upon root 3. So this root 3 must be rationalized. So how can you rationalize the root 3? It is multiplied by root 3. Because I already explained in the last problem, if you want to rationalize the number, so the which number is right in the surds, that number is multiplied to the denominator and same number multiplying to numerator. So 1 upon root 3, so it is multiplied by root 3 into root 3, and this root 3 multiplying to 1. Okay, so such a way 2 is remain as it is. 16, the square root of 16 is 4 root 3. Okay, this 2 remain as it is. 16, so square root of 16 is 4, so I write here 4. Square root of 16 is 4, so I write here 4. Root 3. 25, what is the square root of 25? 5, so I write here 5. 5 root 3. Then this root 3 ones are root 3. Root 3 into root 3 3, so 1 upon root 3. So if you are finding 2 4 8, 2 4 8, so 8 root 3 minus 5 root 3 minus 1 upon 3 root 3. So what is common? Root 3 root 3 root 3 common. So that can be right into the bracket. Root 3 is common. What is uncommon? 8 minus 5 minus 1 upon 3. 8 minus 5, what is remains? 3. So I write there 3. So 3 minus 1 upon 3. So here is the no denominator. No denominator means denominator is 1. So here is 1 denominator, here is 3 denominator. Denominator are not same. So what can you do? We can find out LCM. So 1 and 3. What is the LCM? 3. So here is I write 3. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, here is remain 3. Minus 1 upon 3 remain as it is. So here is 3. Denominator is 1. Here is denominator is 3. So denominator 1 and denominator 3. The denominator is not same. So what can you do? We can find out LCM. So 3 ones are 3. So LCM is 3. And here is denominator 1. So which number multiple 1? Then we get 3, 3. 3 3s are 9. So we get 9. 9 minus 1, 8. We are getting 8 upon 3. Are you understand, my students? Having you doubt anything, such a way we are completed your doubts. So the homework is solve these all problems first in the class notebooks, and then solve this all problem 2 times in your homework notebook. Okay, if anyone having doubts, then they can ask me. I will solve these problems again.